How to cancel an order on Foodpanda Pakistan. Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to cancel an order on Foodpanda Pakistan. Open the Foodpanda app and make sure to log in. Confirm your location first. Go to the food delivery option shown on the top of the screen. Now choose any of your favorite restaurants. And after that, choose anything for delivery. By adding to your cart, you can view the cart by tapping on it. Place your order by confirming your address. Choose the payment method according to your choice and confirm your order. Please access the help center on the platform if you wish to cancel your order after it has been placed. You have the right to cancel your order, provided a vendor has not yet accepted your order. You can refund by online payment orders. You can also get a refund on cash on delivery orders. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.